Hi, how are you doing today?
Hello, I am doing very well.
Are you hungry right now?
Yes, my stomach is making noises.
Did you eat breakfast this morning?
No, I woke up very late today.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
I know, but I only had a cup of coffee.
Black coffee or coffee with milk?
I like my coffee with milk and sugar.
I always eat a big breakfast.
What do you usually eat in the morning?
I eat 2 eggs, toast, and an apple.
That sounds very healthy.
Yes, it gives me energy for work.
I usually eat a bowl of cereal.
Cereal is very fast and easy to make.
Exactly. I just add cold milk to it.
What is your favorite food in the whole world?
My absolute favorite food is pizza.
Pizza is delicious. What is your favorite topping?
I love pepperoni and a lot of cheese.
I prefer vegetarian pizza.
So you only put vegetables on it?
Yes, I like mushrooms, onions, and tomatoes.
That sounds very fresh and light.
What other foods do you like?
I really love eating pasta.
Italian food is very popular.
Yes, spaghetti with meat sauce is the best.
Do you know how to cook spaghetti?
Yes, boiling pasta is very easy.
Making a good sauce is the hard part.
I just buy the sauce from the supermarket.
Cooking from scratch is much better.
Are you a good cook?
Yes, I love cooking dinner every night.
What is your best dish?
I make a very good chicken curry.
Is it very spicy?
A little bit, but I add coconut milk.
I cannot eat spicy food.
Why not? Does it hurt your stomach?
Yes, it makes my mouth burn.
I will make it sweet for you next time.
That would be very nice of you.
Do you eat a lot of fast food?
Sometimes when I am very busy.
Hamburgers and French fries are very tasty.
Yes, but they are not very healthy.
We should eat more vegetables.
I try to eat a green salad every day.
Salads are great if you use a good dressing.
I just use olive oil and lemon juice.
That is a very classic and healthy dressing.
Do you eat a lot of fruit?
I love eating bananas and oranges.
I prefer eating sweet strawberries.
Fruits are good for snacks.
Yes, they are much better than potato chips.
Do you like eating seafood?
Yes, I love grilled fish and shrimp.
Seafood is very light and healthy.
I eat fish at least twice a week.
I like making fish with garlic and butter.
Garlic makes everything taste better.
I completely agree with you.
But it makes your breath smell bad.
That is true. You need to brush your teeth after.
Yes, a strong mint toothpaste is needed.
What about sweet things? Do you like desserts?
Oh, I have a very big sweet tooth.
Me too. I love eating chocolate.
Dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
I prefer milk chocolate because it is sweeter.
I like dark chocolate with almonds.
Do you bake cakes at home?
No, baking is too difficult for me.
You have to measure everything perfectly.
Yes, cooking is an art, but baking is science.
That is a very good way to say it.
I usually just buy ice cream from the store.
Vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream?
Strawberry ice cream is my favorite.
Do you eat dessert every day?
No, only on the weekends.
That is a good rule to stay healthy.
If I eat too much sugar, I feel tired.
Yes, a sugar crash is not fun.
Do you drink soda?
Very rarely. I drink a lot of water.
How many glasses of water do you drink a day?
I try to drink 8 glasses every day.
I always forget to drink water.
You should carry a water bottle with you.
I bought a new blue water bottle yesterday.
That will help you stay hydrated.
I drink a lot of tea in the afternoon.
Tea is very relaxing.
I drink chamomile tea to calm my mind.
Let's talk about meat. Do you eat beef?
Yes, I really enjoy a good steak.
How do you like your steak cooked?
I like my steak medium rare.
I prefer my steak well done.
Well done meat can be very dry.
I know, but I don't like to see blood.
That is totally understandable.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, I love eating bacon for breakfast on Sundays.
Bacon is very crispy and salty.
It smells so good when it's cooking.
Are there any foods you hate?
I really do not like eating broccoli.
Broccoli looks like a little green tree.
Yes, but the taste is very bitter to me.
I love broccoli with cheese on top.
Cheese can hide the bad taste.
What about you? Do you hate any food?
I cannot eat raw onions.
They are very strong and spicy.
Yes, they make my eyes water.
How often do you go to a restaurant?
I usually eat out once a week.
Friday nights are perfect for eating out.
Yes, it is a reward after a long work week.
Do you like trying new restaurants?
I love finding new places to eat.
There's a new Mexican restaurant downtown.
I heard their tacos are amazing.
Do you like Mexican food?
Yes, I love eating burritos and guacamole.
Guacamole is made from fresh avocados.
Avocados are so creamy and delicious.
We should go to that restaurant together.
That is a wonderful idea.
When are you free to go?
Are you free this Friday evening?
Yes, I have no plans for Friday.
Perfect. What time should we meet?
Is 7 o'clock okay for you?
7 o'clock is a great time for dinner.
Do we need to make a reservation?
Yes, new restaurants are always very crowded.
I will call them today to book a table.
Thank you for doing that.
Do you want to sit inside or outside?
The weather is warm, so let's sit outside.
Eating outside is very romantic and quiet.
I enjoy watching the people walk by.
Do you know what you will order?
I will definitely order chicken tacos.
I think I will try the beef burrito.
We can share some nachos as an appetizer.
Nachos with melted cheese and tomatoes.
Now I'm getting very hungry again.
Talking about food always makes me hungry.
We still have to wait until Friday.
I might have to eat a snack right now.
Do you have any snacks in your bag?
Let me look inside my backpack.
What did you find?
I have a small bag of almonds.
Almonds are a very good and healthy snack.
Do you want some?
Yes, please, just a few.
Here, hold out your hand.
Thank you. These are very crunchy.
I also have a green apple.
You are very prepared for hunger.
I always carry food with me.
I need to start doing that.
It stops me from buying fast food.
Do you tip the waiter at the restaurant?
Yes, I always leave a good tip if the service is nice.
Tipping is very important for the workers.
I usually leave 20% of the bill.
That is very generous of you.
Food workers work very hard all day.
Yes, carrying heavy plates is not easy.
I worked in a restaurant when I was a student.
Really? Were you a waiter or a cook?
I was a waiter for 2 years.
Did you drop any plates?
Only once, I dropped a whole tray of glasses.
Oh no, that must have been so loud.
It was very embarrassing, but my boss was nice.
That is a very funny story now.
Yes, I can laugh about it today.
Well, I need to get back to my desk.
Me too. My lunch break is over.
Thank you for the almonds.
You are very welcome.
Don't forget to call the Mexican restaurant.
I will call them right now to reserve our table.
Great. A table for 2 outside at 7.
I will send you a text message when it is done.
Perfect. Have a great afternoon.
You too. See you on Friday.
See you on Friday for tacos.